press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopxoBeauty.
Hi guys, I'm Shreya and welcome back to another episode of PopxoBeauty Makeup Masterclass. And today I'm going to show you 3 super easy and super fun eyeliner looks. So let's begin. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed the look. Let me know your favorite look in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, join the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm products when you shop from the website or the app. The link to join is down in the description below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to PopxoBeauty. Bye.